Hello, Pioneer. Did you know that the PiNetwork project is different from other projects that have existed? This project is unique. If you believe it, write in the comment PiNetwork to the moon. Check if you have subscribed to Pi News World. Did you know that you have already become a millionaire because of PiNetwork? And don't forget to click subscribe, like, and comment on this video. The cryptocurrency world is no stranger to hype, and the latest buzz surrounding PiNetwork PI and a potential Binance listing on March 14th is no exception. With PiNetwork's 6th anniversary coinciding with this date, the speculation has reached a fever pitch. But what's driving this excitement, and is there any substance to the rumors? Let's dive deep into the details. The significance of March 14th for PiNetwork. March 14th holds special significance for PiNetwork as it marks the project's 6th anniversary. Launched in 2019, PiNetwork has come a long way, albeit with its fair share of challenges and delays. The project, which aims to create a decentralized mining ecosystem, has garnered a dedicated following, but it has also faced criticism for its slow progress. The recent launch of PiNetwork's open network has reignited interest in the project, and many believe that a Binance listing could be the next major milestone. The timing couldn't be more perfect. March 14th could serve as a symbolic launchpad for PiNetwork's next phase. In February, Binance conducted a community vote to gauge interest in listing PiNetwork. The results were overwhelmingly positive, with 86% of users voting yes. This strong show of support has fueled speculation that Binance might finally list PI, especially given the project's growing popularity and the potential for increased trading volume. However, despite the positive vote, Binance has remained tight-lipped about any official plans to list PI. This silence has only added to the suspense, leaving the crypto community to wonder whether March 14th will indeed be the day. Over the past week, PiNetwork's price has been on a downward trajectory, dropping by 20% to around $1.40. This decline is part of a broader market correction, but it has also raised concerns among investors. However, a Binance listing could be the game changer that PI needs to reverse this trend. Historically, listings on major exchanges like Binance have led to significant price surges for cryptocurrencies. If Binance does list PII, it could provide the liquidity and visibility needed to push the price back up to $3 or even higher. The potential for a price surge is one of the key reasons why the crypto community is eagerly awaiting an official announcement from Binance. PiNetwork has always been a polarizing project. On one hand, its supporters believe it represents the future of decentralized mining, offering a more accessible and energy-efficient alternative to traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. On the other hand, critics argue that the project has been plagued by delays and a lack of tangible progress, leading some to dismiss it as a scam. Despite the skepticism, PiNetwork has managed to secure listings on multiple top-tier exchanges, which is a testament to its resilience and the dedication of its community. The recent launch of the open network has also been a significant step forward, but the project still has a long way to go to prove its critics wrong. The cryptocurrency market thrives on speculation, and the rumors surrounding a potential Binance listing for PiNetwork are a perfect example. Speculation can drive prices up or down, and in the case of PI, the anticipation of a Binance listing has already had a noticeable impact on its price. However, it's important to approach such speculation with caution. While a Binance listing could indeed be a major boost for PiNetwork, there's no guarantee that it will happen. Investors should always conduct thorough research or DIR and consider the risks before making any investment decisions. What could a Binance listing mean for PiNetwork? A Binance listing would be a significant milestone for PiNetwork. It would not only increase the project's visibility, but also provide greater liquidity, making it easier for investors to buy and sell PI. This in turn could lead to increased trading volume and potentially higher prices. Moreover, a Binance listing would lend credibility to PiNetwork, helping to dispel some of the skepticism that has surrounded the project. It would also open the door to new partnerships and collaborations, further solidifying PiNetwork's position in the crypto ecosystem. As of now, there's no official word from Binance about a potential listing for PiNetwork. The crypto community is left to speculate, and the anticipation is palpable. Will Binance choose March 14th as the day to list PI, or will the community be left waiting yet again? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, the crypto world will be watching closely. Whether or not Binance lists PI on March 14th, the speculation and excitement surrounding this potential event are a testament to the enduring allure of the cryptocurrency market.